Today we can discuss 5 more important questions from trigonometry. Look at here. The CBSE 2007 question. The question is cos A upon 1 minus tan A plus sin A upon 1 minus cot A, which is equal to cos A plus sin A. Here most of the students are having the confusion. What I want to use, where I want to use the identity, which identity I need to apply. So look at here. Here 99% the question which contain tan A, so the tan A we can rewrite as sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, this idea. Tan theta we can rewrite as sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, the cot theta we can rewrite as cos theta upon sin theta. Most of the question, the tan theta and cot theta we can rewrite as sin theta by cos theta and cos theta by sin theta. The same idea we can try here also. Okay. So look at here, the magical hexagon, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. So now I'm going to apply that. Let me erase this. Okay. So look at here. So we can take our LHS side. So this is very easy. So I'm taking here my LHS. Cos A upon 1 minus tan A we can rewrite as sin A by cos A plus sin A upon 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Okay, this cot A I have written, cos A upon sin A. So now look at here. Now the next step we can write cos A as it is cos A upon cos A minus sin A upon cos A plus similarly we can write the next part here, next term sin A upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A. Okay. Actually, this cos A is divided by this fraction. Okay, cos A is divided by this fraction. Similarly, the sin A is divided by this fraction by B by C. So, this fraction, what you will do? A by 1 into C by B. There you will do reciprocal multiplication. The same process we can do here. See, here I am going to rewrite as cos A upon 1. Okay, this cos A we can rewrite as cos A by 1. Into this will be cos A by cos A minus sin A. Okay. Similarly, this side also we can write sin A by 1 into sin A by sin A minus cos A. Okay. Sin A minus cos A. So now the continuation. Cos A into cos A. What is cos A into cos A? That is cos square A. Okay, that is cos square A. Cos square A. Upon 1 into cos A minus sin A, we can write cos A minus sin A. Okay, plus sin A into sin A, we can rewrite as sin square A upon sin A minus cos A. Okay, sin A minus cos A. Now you observe that this both denominator, one you can see cos A minus sin A, another one you can see sin A minus cos A. If the denominators are same, then the addition is very easy, yes or no? That will be a like fraction. So we can make it as a like fraction, cos square A upon cos A minus sin A plus sin square A upon, so here I am taking the minus out, then this we can rewrite as cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A. Okay. So now you see, again we can rewrite as cos square A upon cos A minus sin A minus plus divided by minus, this entire term will be minus. Sin square A upon cos A minus sin A. the common denominator, cos A minus sin A. So now we can add it, we can subtract it, cos square A minus sin square A. What is cos square A minus sin square A? We know A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. Okay, so the same idea we can use here. The same identity we can use here, cos A minus sin A into cos A plus sin A upon cos A minus sin A. See, this we can cancel. So the result is cos A plus sin A. So now we proved which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. The second question, 1 plus 1 upon tan square theta into 1 plus 1 upon cot square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin raised to the power 4 theta. It is CBSE 2007 and 8 question. Okay. First, before applying identity and all, this is just like a fraction. So, 1 plus 1 by tan square theta. That we can simplify first. So, I am writing here our LHS. Okay. We know how do you want to solve this. Tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. And multiplied by cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square theta. Okay. Now we are using the identity. Tan square theta plus 1. We know tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Similarly, cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta. So tan square theta plus 1 we can rewrite as sec square theta upon tan square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 we can write as cosec square theta upon cot square theta. So we can simplify sec square theta into cosec square theta. Similarly, tan square theta into cot square theta. Okay. Tan and cot. Tan inverse is cot. So tan we can rewrite as 1 upon cot, or cot we can rewrite as 1 upon tan. So tan into cot, the result will be 1. So tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. We know tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta, or cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So that's why. So this we can rewrite as sec square theta into cosec square theta. Okay, it is cosec. Okay, cosec square theta. Sec square theta we can rewrite as 1 by cos square theta, and similarly cosec square theta we can write as 1 by sin square theta. We know sec is a reciprocal of cos and cosec is a reciprocal of sin. Now this cos, actually what we need in RHS side, both sin we need. So that I am going to rewrite cos square theta we can rewrite as 1 minus sin square theta. So I am going to rewrite 1 upon 1 minus sin square theta into 1 by sin square theta. Now numerator into numerator, so that is 1 by 1 into 1, 1. 1 minus sin square theta into sin square theta. So this will be sin square theta minus sin square theta into 1 sin square theta minus sin raised to the power 4 theta. Sin raised to the power 4 theta. So now this is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 3 from CBSE 2008. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, which is equal to 2. Okay. So 1 we can, from LHS, 1 we can write as it is 1, and cot theta, we know cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. So cos theta upon sin theta. And what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So we can write 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus tan theta, we can write sin theta upon cos theta, sin theta upon cos theta, and cosec theta we can write 1 upon cos theta. Okay. So now here you can see the both fractions sin theta is a denominator. So the one we can rewrite as sin theta upon sin theta. So making like fraction. Cos theta upon sin theta minus 1 by sine theta into 1. Here you can see both denominators are cos theta. So this we can rewrite cos theta upon cos theta plus sine theta upon cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Okay. So now these are like fraction and this also like fraction. So we can write sine theta common, and that numerator we can add sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 into cos theta plus sine theta minus 1 by cos theta. Okay, which is equal to, here you can see sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Here you can see cos theta plus sine theta plus 1, not minus 1, plus 1. So this is what a plus b into a minus b identity. So this we can rewrite cos theta. So this we can rewrite sine theta plus cos theta all square minus 1 square by sine theta into cos theta. Okay, see, this I consider as a and this is b. Here you can see a and this is b. So a plus b and a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So it's multiplication and sine theta into cos theta. So another continuation we can write sine theta plus cos theta all square minus 1 square. What is sine theta plus cos theta all square? We know a plus b all square formula. So we can write identity sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta cos theta. Okay, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sine theta minus sine theta cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta cos theta. Okay, 1 and 1 we can cancel. 2 sine theta, 2 sine theta cos theta upon sine theta cos theta. Okay, we know we can cancel this. The result is 2. So which is equal to RHS. Fourth question from CBSE 2009. 2 cos square theta plus 2 by 1 plus cot square theta equal to 2. So here the LHS 2 cos square theta plus 2 by 1 plus cot square theta. 2 cos square theta we can write as it is 2 cos square theta plus 2 by 1 plus cot square theta. What is 1 plus cot square theta? We know 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So it is 2 by cosec square theta. Okay, that 1 plus cot square theta we can rewrite as 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So now it is 2 cos square theta plus 2 by cos square theta. What is 1 by cos square theta? Cosec theta. That is 1 by cosec theta is sin theta. So 2 by cosec square theta is 2 sin square theta. So now here 2 we can take common out. This is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. The next question from CBSE 2008, sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta, which is equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. Okay, we know tan theta, how do you want to write? Sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta we need to write cos theta upon sin theta. So same method we can use here. Sin theta into 1 plus tan theta we can write sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, we can close the bracket, and cos theta into and cot theta we can rewrite cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, so now we know this is a fraction. First we need to simplify the bracket, inside bracket the fraction. So there you have to do cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Close the bracket and cos theta outside, and inside the bracket again you have to simplify the inside the bracket, sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. So now look at here, see the first term and the second term, the one common thing. What is the common thing? Sin theta plus cos theta, or cos theta plus sin theta, that we can take common out. Cos theta plus sin theta I am taking common out. Then the first term, the remaining thing, sin theta upon cos theta, plus, and in the second term the remaining part is cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, so now cos theta plus sin theta, as it is you can write cos theta plus sin theta. Here you don't try to write sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, that you don't write. Okay, that from tan theta we created this one. Okay, so we can use here fraction. Okay, the LCM is cos theta into sin theta. Addition of fraction we can use here. Here we know it is sin square theta plus cos square theta. See, it's a very important thing. So you don't go back to tan theta, because we don't want tan theta or cot theta here. We need sec and cosec. We know sec and cosec are what? The reciprocals of cos and sin. Already it is there. So here we can create it. Okay, equal to cos theta plus sin theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. Okay, so now this cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta, so that we can rewrite cos theta by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, now we know sin and sin we can cancel, this cos and cos we can cancel. 1 upon sin is 1 upon sin theta is again cosec theta. 1 upon sin is cosec theta plus 1 upon cos, that you can write sec theta. So look at here, this is our RHS, so which is equal to RHS. We proved. Okay, so today's 5 question we completed. Practice well. If you have any doubt, comment it. Okay, thank you.